Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Following that, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and select Theme. Now tap on the best one for you to apply it, and when you're done, go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to try something more interesting, you can always change your keyboard completely by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Gboard. It has to be from Google Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then choose Enable in Settings and tap on the gray sweater next to Gboard. Click on OK in Attention pop-up and click on the top left corner. Finally, select Input Method, tap on Gboard and close Gboard app. Finally, we can go back to Devices Settings, scroll all the way down, tap on General Management, but this time click on Gboard Settings. Now select Theme and after scrolling down, click on all of those icons at the top right corners. This way you will see all available themes. Nextly, click on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. And to save it, hit Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that the theme of my keyboard has changed again. If you wish to customize it, you need to go back to the same settings. But this time, instead of scrolling down, tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!